In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your vapor canister purge solenoid on your Ford Expedition. It's located underneath the vehicle on your canister. We're going to disconnect our connector right here. Push down on that tab, either with your finger or a screwdriver, and remove it. Set it aside. We have a zip tie here. You're not going to have that. Ours is being held up by this, I believe, our canister. So I'm just going to move that aside. You're going to take your purge valve. You're going to turn this clockwise to unlock it. And then you're going to pry it out. You can use a pry bar. Gently apply pressure and remove. So we're going to insert this in. You can put water on these O-rings to help with slip, but not petroleum-based anything. I'm going to try it without anything first. Sometimes you get lucky. Line it up. Apply some pressure. And then you're going to turn it up or counterclockwise to lock it. And now you can plug it in. Make sure you hear that click. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.